This is the Sephora Favorites Plump and Hydrate kit. Let's have a look inside.
By the way, welcome to my channel. First up, the Fresh Sugar Advanced Therapy Lip Balm. Very hydrating with a delicious lemon vanilla scent. The perfect size for your on-the-go makeup bag. The second deluxe mini is the Lawless Forget the Filler Lip Plumper in the shade Velvet. Very comfortable to wear, and the color's cute. The third mini is the classic Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme Lip Plumper. Yes, it burns. And it works. Next up, a full size of the NARS Afterglow Lip Balm in Dolce Vita, one of the best Your Lips But Better shades of all time. Always looks great. And lastly, another full size. This is the Rose Ink Lip Sculpt Amplifying Lipstick in Beams. A little too dark for me. So I'm blotting it and adding the Lawless Gloss over top.
Overall, I do think this set is well worth the price. It's $30 US or $40 Canadian. Please let me know what you think if you decide to try it, and thank you so much for watching.